Hey guys, Coach Pillowfist here. Now, a key power mistake that people are making when they're throwing their straight rear hand is that they're letting their hand lead their shoulder into it. And what I mean by that is that you're throwing your hand first, right? And your shoulder is following after your hand gets thrown, ultimately kind of leading into a leaning effect, right? Our kind of like leaning into that punch. Your hand shouldn't be moving first before your shoulder. Your shoulder and your hand should be moving simultaneously at the same time. This requires optimal, precise timing. That means that you guys don't have time to be loading up or flaring your elbow out, right? We just gotta get straight to it, shooting our elbow from here, just straight. So you see slowly my shoulder and my hand moving at the same time, right? Another key detail is to corkscrew your rear hand at the end of that punch. So I'm turning this fist and corkscrewing it. Now this requires your forearm to stiffen up a little bit because you're kind of using your forearm muscle to corkscrew your fist. And that's okay for that split second that you're about to land that punch. Also, the good thing about this is it optimizes power even at close range. So even if I'm going this close, I can still put a lot of power even though I'm not fully extending on my punch. But alright everybody, thank you guys for tuning into that video. If you guys have any questions, please comment down below. Please like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you guys in the next one.